Hey, welcome back to Stuff We Love. Today we're talking about the Weller 9400 soldering gun. Josh.
No, this isn't just a soldering gun. This is Weller. Like when you think of Weller, you think of like the best soldering. I mean, this thing is awesome. Home Depot, 40 bucks.
Okay.
6 seconds, cut solder. The grip's nice, LED light, that's everybody's
I've never seen a soldering gun with an LED light.
3 LED lights.
I love LEDs.
Because
Put an LED on
no
anything.
tip shadowing again, I know. And that's, you get your work done better and more accurate. But, so less than 6 seconds, I can cut the solder, so check this out.
It's amazing. That heats up so fast.
That heats up
And that's
very
from
fast.
cold.
Cut it off. And then, I mean, obviously it's not gonna do it every time. You can cut it every single time.
Yeah, wow.
So, I don't know,
It's really
the grip's on it
impressive.
really nice. What I really like about it is the case. You know, I'm a big fan of the cases. Case and bags are my favorite. This comes with the Allen wrench, little solder for you, and then it comes with those 3 tips, the soldering tip, the cut knife tip, and then the smooth PVC. So, I'm a huge fan of it. I've been messing around with it for a couple months now, but you can get them at Home Depot.
Yeah, how much?
HomeDepot.com, 40 bucks.
40 bucks?
Yeah, it's probably one of the best 40 bucks you'll spend.
Yeah.
And check this out, check this out. My favorite part is if you really believe in your product, you warranty it. 7-year warranty.
That's a long warranty.
That's a long, that's legacy warranty right there.
Yeah, and the little stick thing, the little $2 stick welder is not going to come with a 7-year
that's
warranty.
not, no.
So a definite upgrade, worth the money if you're doing lots of soldering. Weller 9400 soldering gun, 40 bucks at Home Depot. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.
Plus 100 and 140 watt it has on there. So it's got the dual half and a full.
Oh, half.
So 100, full, 100.